All right, give me another one. He that soweth iniquity shall reap vanity, and the rod of his anger shall fail. This is where God is showing you that the multiplication of the seed is going to work regardless. What it depends on is what you're putting in when you're at the seeding area. So if you think about a farmer, whatever you put into the soil is what's going to come out. I can't put down seeds because I want to have some collard greens come up and then come back and be like, what in the what are these oranges doing here? That's just not going to happen. I'm going to get what's going to sprout is what I put into the soil. And so what he's saying, if you continue to sow iniquity, guess what you're going to get back? Vanity, anger, and you're going to guarantee failure. And so what we have to learn is if we want to see different fruit, we have to plant different seeds. Okay, let's do another one. For he that soweth to his flesh shall of the flesh reap corruption. But he that soweth to the spirit shall of the spirit reap life everlasting. Galatians 6:8. Same principle. If I purify the seed, if I'm always serving my flesh, I'm going to reap corruption. All right. But if I said, Lord, teach me how to sow the fruits of the spirit so that I can have everlasting life. This goes back to purifying the seed. Watch this one. Okay. And because I'm showing you this, I want you to see the pattern. But this I say, and this is the main principle of what I'm trying to tell you. But this I say, he which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly, and he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. 2 Corinthians 9:6. So if you say to yourself, okay, I want to have a better marriage. I want you to go back to the principles. What does the word say about what is my part in this marriage? And I want you to sow and sow and sow to those principles that God standards, not what you see on TV, not even what your parents' standards are, if they're in opposition to the word of God. But if you go back to the principles that the Bible sets on what you should be doing to sow into your marriage, here's what you're going to do. You're going to activate a promise. You're going to activate a guarantee. You're going to put an insurance on your actions that eventually, if you sow and sow and sow, it's going to multiply. And when God's math begins to multiply, because you purified the seed, you're going to see the desires of your heart.